Keynotes are concise, standardized annotations used in architectural and construction documents to label and describe elements within a project, ensuring clarity and consistency. To access the palette, navigate to Document and select Keynotes. Alternatively, you can also find it under Window, Palettes, Keynotes. To create a new keynote, simply click on the plus icon in the palette. Each keynote item consists of 4 pieces of information: key, title, description, and reference. The key serves as a unique identifier through the project. No 2 keynotes can have the same key. The title of the keynote is flexible, usually a descriptive label tailored to the content of each keynote. It can help with internal organization and easy identification of keynotes. In the description box, detailed information about the keynote can be provided to give a more comprehensive understanding of the annotation. This text box allows for multi-line text, giving you more flexibility when documenting your keynote. Finally, the reference can be used to specify external details relevant to the keynote, such as reference numbers. To place a keynote on your viewpoint, either double-click the keynote from the list or click the Place Label button. You can utilize the default label or choose a favorite by clicking on the Favorites icon. The Place Label button is extra useful when trying to place the same label on multiple elements at once. When multiple elements are selected, the button changes to Place on Selection, and all the elements will be labeled at once with the respective keynote. The keynote documentation and layouts offers a structured approach to managing and displaying keynotes within your project. With a layout opened, you can place a legend containing information connected to keynotes by clicking the Place Legend button in the Keynotes palette. The legend is coded as a GDL element and it can be found in the object library. You can adjust the keynote's visibility in the legend through many settings available in the Object Settings dialog. If a change is made to any keynote in the project, the legend updates automatically, ensuring that your documentation remains accurate and up-to-date. A part of the workflow that we have yet to talk about is the Excel import and export capabilities, so let's take a look at this next. Begin by exporting your keynotes from Archicad to an Excel file using the Export Keynote button in the Keynotes palette. You can choose to export all keynotes or only the selected ones. You can update any keynote information as needed. Once the edits are complete, import the Excel file back into Archicad. This can be done again from the Keynotes palette with the Import Keynotes button. This action updates the Keynote database within the Archicad project, reflecting any changes made in Excel. As keynotes are modified in the viewpoint, the corresponding updates are automatically reflected in associated layouts.